Hello my foodie friends, welcome to Recipes by KP. Today I'm gonna be making perfect fluffy quinoa in rice cooker. With this recipe you can cook perfect quinoa which is not mushy or lumpy. If you are new on Recipes by KP, please subscribe and click the bell icon to stay tuned. There are so many benefits of adding quinoa in your diet. So without any further delay, let's start making quinoa. For this recipe I am going to use regular white quinoa. We will use 1 cup of quinoa, 1/8 teaspoon of salt which is optional, 1 teaspoon of olive oil that is optional, 2 cups of water. We will also need some water and a strainer to wash quinoa. Here I am going to use a normal rice cooker which has only 2 options, cook and warm. First of all, we will have to wash our quinoa because quinoa has natural coating called saponin which has a bitter and soapy taste. So by rinsing our quinoa 2-3 times with clean water will help you to get rid of its bitter taste. Now in the pot we will add our washed and rinsed quinoa. Next we will add 1 teaspoon of olive oil which is optional in this recipe. Then we will add 1/8 teaspoon of salt which is totally optional. Next we will add 2 cups of water. Now we will mix it a little bit. Set the pot inside the rice cooker and cover it. Then we will turn on the rice cooker. Let it cook for 20 minutes and then check if water is left. I can see there's little water left on the bottom of the pot. So I will let it cook for another 5 minutes and check again. After 5 minutes we are checking our quinoa and there is no water left. Now we need to turn off the rice cooker and let it rest for 10 to 15 minutes. Whenever I cook quinoa in rice cooker, I follow this method because rice cooker automatic goes to warm option when quinoa is cooked. I don't like the warm option because if I forget to turn off the rice cooker for a while, it makes my quinoa dry. After 10 minutes, we can fluff up our quinoa with fork and our quinoa is ready to be served. You can see our quinoa cooked perfect fluffy, not mushy or lumpy. Now if you want to store your quinoa in the refrigerator to make quinoa salad or any other recipe, you will need to let it come to the room temperature and store it in the airtight container. So if you want to make my style of quinoa salad, please check the link in the description below. Give this recipe a try, comment and let me know how it worked for you. You can check the description below to get the link for the other recipes related to this one. If you like this video, hit the like button, subscribe and I will see you in the next video. Happy cooking. Bye bye.